Hey guys, this is Dave. You're looking at a 1970 GTO, an original 455 4-speed car with the Chevy 12-bolt rear like all 455s had. This has been transformed from a pepper green car to an orbit orange GTO Judge Tribute. Beautiful car, just done. Rotisserie restored, frame off. Non-matching number 455. But it's got the right heads. I think it's got a 73 block, but she runs good, she runs strong. All new brakes, all new lines. All new suspension. Just needs the rest of the ram air hooked up. Runs good. All new interior, non-console car, which is kind of cool. She runs good. Body lines are good, the gaps are good. The paint's always nice on Bob's cars, so she looks pretty. This thing was just finished literally about 2 days ago. All new interior, all new window fuzzies, all the weather stripping's done. Dash got no cracks. Doesn't have the gauge package. It's got the hood tack. AM radio. I said 4-speed. Car was born a 4-speed. Car was born a 455. Has the original 12-bolt in it. I'm not sure about the original transmission. Could be, but I can't say for certain. Doors closed, nice. Car doesn't run hot, doesn't have any leaks. Pretty car. Who doesn't love an orbit orange 70 Judge? Nobody knows it's a tribute. But it is a real 242, 70, 455, 4-speed GTO. Alright folks, if you have any interest, give me a call, 617-513-7407. She's ready to go.